James O'Connell has been an Uber driver of 3 years. He takes most of his routes to and from the airport. It's been his main source of income. Despite the tragedy in South Carolina, O'Connell says ride-sharing services like the one he works for are committed to safety of their riders.
Knows everything about me, about my car. When I'm on the app and I'm in a ride, they know how fast I'm going.
A popular way maneuvering around campus or even to the city, a lot of Temple students have relied on ride-sharing services such as Uber and Lyft. Freshman Julian Salako has a tip for riders.
You quickly send that message that you're going to be on Uber, like it'll track your GPS, so that way my parents always know where I am.
For Temple student Madison Brown, she recalls a ride that she won't forget.
Make sure you're in the right Uber, because I've gotten in the wrong Uber before and they told me, oh, you're in the wrong Uber.
Unlike South Carolina, Philly law requires Uber and Lyft drivers to display a decal on the front and back windshield of their vehicle to let riders know it's them. Director of Public Safety Charles Leone says these precautions are important.
Make sure you have a plan, know where you're going, know how you're going to get there, have friends that know where you're going. And again, the group is so much better.
O'Connell explains how riders aren't the only ones who need to be safe, but drivers as well.
So when you want to verify the driver's name and the passenger's name, the driver wants to be safe also. So you want to ask the person, maybe who your driver is.